Good day, everyone! I'm super excited to introduce you to my brand new website page and video series that's going to help you feel better by mastering emotional intelligence. The concept of feeling better. We all have ups and downs, but what if you could understand your emotions better and even guide them? That's exactly what our Feel Better page aims to help you with. Let's take a tour through the key sections. First up is understanding the Abraham Hicks Emotional Scale. This section acts as your roadmap for emotional wellness. Ever felt stuck in an emotional rut? The emotional scale helps you identify where you're at and where you could aim to go. It's a great first step in any self-improvement journey. Next, we delve into the world of cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT for short. Think of this section as your toolkit for changing negative thought patterns. We provide techniques such as self-questioning and goal setting that align with the stages of the emotional scale. We also explore meditation and mindfulness, two powerful tools for emotional wellness. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned meditator, this section is packed with guided practices that can help you climb the emotional scale with ease. The Navigating Emotional Peaks and Valleys segment offers actionable strategies and tips for dealing with real-life emotional challenges. From personal stories to uplifting testimonials, this section is designed to motivate and inspire you. We wrap it all up with your journey towards feeling better. We emphasize that understanding emotions is a journey, not a sprint. We invite you to dive in, take your time, and remember, you're not alone on this path. So there you have it. Our Feel Better page is your go-to guide for emotional intelligence. We also have e-courses available for those who want to dive even deeper. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thank you for tuning in to Feel Better. I can't wait to be a part of your journey to emotional wellness. See you soon.